What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Consultant Bot channel. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to enhance your BPM skills or a newcomer eager to explore the world of business process management, you're in the right place. This tutorial is dedicated to providing insightful guides and practical tips to help you master BPM. Let's dive in. Let's look at the contents of this module. Here we will discuss about definition of BPM, importance of BPM, evolution and history of BPM, key objectives of BPM, life cycle of BPM, benefits of BPM, challenges of BPM, various BPM tools available in the market. Let's first understand what is BPM. BPM stands for Business Process Management, and at its core, it's a systematic approach to managing and optimizing business processes to improve efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance. Think of it as a framework that guides organizations in identifying and continuously improve processes to align with both organizational goals and customer needs. Now, according to Gartner, a leading research and advisory company, they define BPM as the discipline of managing processes, rather than just tasks, as the means for improving business performance outcomes and operational agility. Essentially, BPM involves everything from how work gets done to ensuring it's aligned with strategic objectives. Now let's look at the importance of BPM and how it plays a crucial role in digital transformation for any organization. Digital transformation has become a buzzword in the business world, and for a good reason. It's about leveraging digital technologies to fundamentally change how businesses operate and deliver value to customers. Now, when we apply BPM to digital transformation, we see a powerful synergy. Implementing BPM has a huge impact on a company's technology landscape. Let me give you a before and after snapshot. In this diagram on your left, it shows an organization before implementing BPM. In this organization, all these separate systems like ERP, CRM, and custom solutions don't talk to each other. Processes are managed through a mix of manual work like email, spreadsheets, and paper docs. There's limited visibility across teams and data is scattered all over. On your right, it shows an organization after implementing BPM. All those systems are now integrated and connected through automated workflows. There's a centralized view of what's happening across processes, and you unlock massive efficiency gains, cost savings, and much better insights for decision making. Let's delve into the early beginnings of BPM. In the 1980s and 1990s, we saw the emergence of process improvement methodologies such as Lean and Six Sigma. During this time, there was a focus on streamlining and optimizing business processes. Additionally, workflow management systems and enterprise application integration started gaining traction, laying the foundation for BPM as we know it today. Moving on to the early 2000s, we witnessed the emergence of BPM as a holistic approach to process management. This era marked the integration of various aspects including process modeling, execution, monitoring, and optimization. Notably, standards like BPMN, or Business Process Model and Notation, became widely adopted, further solidifying BPM's framework. The development of BPM suites and platforms marked another significant milestone. Comprehensive BPM software suites were introduced by vendors such as IBM, Pegasystems, Appian, and others. These platforms enabled organizations to automate, analyze, and optimize their business processes effectively. As BPM matured, it evolved into a management discipline and organizational capability. Organizations began aligning BPM initiatives with their business strategies, focusing on continuous improvement. Consequently, BPM saw increased adoption across industries and organizational functions. BPM's role in digital transformation cannot be overstated. It serves as a crucial enabler for digital initiatives, integrating with emerging technologies like AI, RPA, and IoT. Furthermore, agile and customer-centric process management approaches have become integral to BPM strategies in the digital era. Looking towards the future, BPM is poised to embrace intelligent process automation and process mining technologies. We anticipate the rise of low-code, no-code BPM platforms, catering to citizen developers and empowering them to participate in process optimization efforts. And of course, BPM will continue evolving and integrating with emerging technologies to meet the dynamic demands of the digital age. If someone is not familiar with BPM, they will ask about the objectives of BPM. So let's look at some key objectives driving BPM adoption. Firstly, process optimization aims to streamline workflows and eliminate bottlenecks, leading to greater efficiency. Enhanced customer experience focuses on delivering value to customers by understanding their needs and preferences. Continuous improvement is about striving for excellence by regularly refining processes. Agility and flexibility enable organizations to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Cost reduction is achieved by identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Risk management and compliance ensure that processes adhere to regulations and mitigate potential risks. Transparency and accountability promote openness and responsibility within the organization. Data-driven insights empower decision-making by providing actionable intelligence. Innovation fosters creativity and drives business growth. Cross-functional collaboration encourages teamwork and knowledge sharing across departments. Employee empowerment recognizes the importance of engaged and motivated employees in driving success. And finally, strategic alignment ensures that processes are in sync with organizational goals. Now that we've covered the objectives, let's move on to the BPM life cycle. The BPM lifecycle consists of 5 phases: design, modeling, execution, monitoring, and optimize. In the design phase, processes are identified and defined, laying the foundation for the rest of the life cycle. The modeling phase involves creating visual representations of processes to understand their flow and dependencies. During the execution phase, processes are implemented and automated where possible. Monitoring involves tracking performance metrics and identifying areas for improvement. Finally, the optimize phase focuses on making continuous enhancements to processes based on feedback and data analysis. This cyclical approach ensures that processes are constantly evolving to meet changing needs and challenges. Now let's look at the benefits that are derived from an BPM implementation and will serve as a base for calculating the return on investment for the implementations. Implementing BPM brings a wide range of benefits to organizations. Firstly, streamlined operations and reduced inefficiencies lead to cost savings and improved productivity. Increased visibility and transparency into processes enable better decision-making and resource allocation. By leveraging data-driven insights, organizations can respond more effectively to market changes and customer needs. Additionally, automation eliminates paper-based processes, resulting in further cost savings and environmental benefits. Now, let's take a look at some of the BPM tools available in the market. There are numerous BPM tools available, each offering unique features and capabilities to support different aspects of the BPM lifecycle. From process modeling and automation to performance monitoring and analytics, these tools help organizations streamline their processes and achieve their BPM objectives. Some popular BPM tools include IBM BPM, or also known as IBM BAW, Pega BPM, Commander BPM, JBPM, Appian BPM, and many more. Implementing a business process management solution comes with its share of challenges, including resistance to change, complexity of implementation, integration issues, and maintaining alignment with business goals. However, by addressing these challenges proactively and leveraging best practices in BPM implementation, organizations can overcome obstacles and unlock the full potential of BPM to drive efficiency, innovation, and business growth. Let's begin by discussing the first challenge: resistance to change. Implementing a BPM solution often requires significant changes to existing processes, workflows, and organizational structures. Resistance from employees who are accustomed to the old ways of doing things can pose a significant barrier to successful implementation. Overcoming this resistance requires effective change management strategies, clear communication, and active engagement with stakeholders at all levels of the organization. The second challenge highlighted here is the complexity of implementation. BPM solutions can be complex, involving multiple stakeholders, intricate processes, and diverse technologies. Managing this complexity requires careful planning, strong project management, and collaboration between business and IT teams. It's essential to break down the implementation process into manageable phases and ensure that adequate resources and expertise are allocated to each stage. Next, we have integration issues. Integrating a BPM solution with existing systems, applications, and data sources can be challenging. Incompatibilities between different technologies, data formats, and protocols can hinder seamless integration and data flow. Addressing integration issues requires thorough analysis, robust integration strategies, and possibly the use of middleware or integration platforms to bridge gaps between systems. Another significant challenge is maintaining alignment with business goals. While implementing a BPM solution, it's crucial to ensure that it aligns with the strategic objectives and priorities of the organization. This requires ongoing communication and collaboration between business and IT stakeholders to ensure that the BPM initiatives support broader business goals and deliver measurable value. Regular performance monitoring and feedback mechanisms are essential to keep the BPM solution aligned with evolving business needs. Your thoughts, opinions, and ideas matter to us, and we're eager to engage with our audience. If you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Share your insights, questions, or feedback right here, right now. Your comments not only help us understand what you're interested in but also contribute to building a vibrant community. Alternatively, if you prefer a more private conversation or have something lengthy to discuss, feel free to reach out to us via email. You can find our contact information in the description box or on our website. We're always eager to hear from our audience, and we'll make sure to respond to your emails promptly. Thank you all for being a part of Consultant Bot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.